John Deere 5085M hub, front hub axle lube. Gotta undo this. Granted, I did go around and loosen these before I took a video. Looks like there's a little magnet there. A little bit of wear. Some grease with some metal particles. These probably took about 50 pounds of torque to remove. You should probably replace these little brass gaskets. Clean these surfaces up really good with a little Brillo pad. Wipe all the oil off when you reseal them. Doesn't look that bad. It's got 3,000. This tractor has 3,000 hours on it. I bought it. No, excuse me. Yeah, 3,000. I bought it when it had 2,000 hours on it. I don't know if this was ever done. So here's a grease zerk point here. You got to service every, I don't know, pretty much every time you use it. And another one right up here. Still learning how to service these joints. Probably going to do that here in the next couple of weeks. Servicing all that. Don't know how to do it yet. Gotta look into it and I'll record it. James, do you have my wrench?
No.
Thank you. Just gonna put that one back for now, so I don't want to lose that ring. Okay. So I just used the Chevron for my hydro and gear oil because I don't know, it's about $15 cheaper than the John Deere brand, and this is apparently an equivalent. If you buy it by the drum, you can probably get it for anywhere from $5 to $10 cheaper a gallon per gallon. I'd like to get a little pump for this thing, but some other time. Maybe the siphon will work. Let's see here. Oh. I made a little mess, but it's siphoning. It's gonna be a while. There's the old oil. There's some old other gear oil mixed in with that. That's why it looks discolored, but looks pretty good. Definitely needed this service. So set yourself up with
Daddy, I found
a deal to prop your
Look what I found, Daddy.
filling system up because it's gonna be a little while. I'm doing it in the cold, so
Daddy,
the
I found
viscosity
a
on the
string.
oil is very, very thick.
I found a string, Daddy.
Things take time.
I found a string.
It's a wire. So John Deere, they say put thread sealant on those threads. I think the only purpose for that is to be as like an anti-seize, because that's not the sealing factor of that connection. It's the gasket. So I think you could even just get away with anti-seize, or just a little bit of tape, just so the next time you service this, it's not welded. So I envision this filling up to the bottom of the plug hole. Once it starts overfilling, you can probably come over here, top off your hub assembly there, and do the same on the other side. And when it's full, you should have oil oozing out of most of those orifices.